have a best Ramadan. Assalamu alaikum, have a best Ramadan.
They are Hassan and Amna. They will present the preparation of Ramadan.
Assalamu alaikum. Happy Ramadan Kareem. Ramadan Mubarak. Please come inside our house. We have prepared it all for Ramadan. This is our gazebo and we decorated it from outside and inside. There are flashing lights in front of our house. And it's very beautiful this Ramadan view. Please come inside. Oh wait, and this is our Ramadan house decoration. Come inside please. This is the end of Ramadan. We have lantern lights and we have lights which say Happy Ramadan Kareem. And this is where we will do our salah and Quran Taweez. Come, we'll show you more. This is a decoration for the curtain. Come on. This is the decoration for the hallway. And look up there. There's a moon and a star for the decoration for the light. And this is all the food we will give away in order for Ramadan. This is khajur for all our friends. This is crunchy noodles. These are the khajurs in Iran. We're going to give them to our friends for honor of Ramadan Kareem. And this is our breakfast, paratha and kebab. We will eat in order for Ramadan. And there's more khajur here.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम मेरी प्यारी बहनों, राइस क्लब के सब मेरी प्यारी बहनों। आज पहला अफ्तार है हमारे रोज़े का। हमारा रोज़ा जो है वो अल्लाह ताला इबादतें हमारी कबूल करे। ये मेरी फैमिली है और ये मैं हूँ। आप सब लोगों को हम सब की तरफ से रमज़ान मुबारक, बहुत खैर और बरकत वाला रमज़ान हो। सबको ब्लेस्ड रमज़ान हो और सबको खुशियाँ मिले, नेमतें मिले। अल्लाह ताला की तरफ से खूब सारे रहमतों करम के साथ अल्लाह पाक हम सबकी ज़िंदगी खुशहाल रखे। जो लोग बीमार हैं, जो लोग परेशान हाल हैं, जो लोग तकलीफ़ में हैं, अल्लाह पाक उन सब की तकलीफ़ों को दूर करे और हम सब की इबादत को कबूल करे। आमीन आमीन सुम्मा आमीन।